Superfoods have gained popularity in recent years due to their powerful health and beauty benefits. These foods are abundant in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other health-promoting elements that may support a range of bodily functions and improve overall wellness. Among other elements of your health and attractiveness, you may enhance your skin tone and immune system by including these superfoods into your diet. This video will discuss the science behind the potent qualities of some of the best superfoods for health and beauty. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Blueberries. Blueberries have a high antioxidant content, which makes them one of the top superfoods. These little berries are packed with plant compounds called flavonoids, which have anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Blueberries are among the fruits and vegetables with the highest antioxidant content. Antioxidants prevent cellular damage and reduce oxidative stress by scavenging harmful free radicals from the body. Better, more attractive skin and a decreased risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease are possible outcomes of this. In addition to its many health advantages, blueberries are a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and manganese. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen and the upkeep of a healthy immune system, while fiber promotes regular bowel movements, which is good for the stomach. Blood sugar management and strong bones depend on manganese. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have been consumed for thousands of years by ancient cultures such as the Mayans and Aztecs. They are a nutrient-dense powerhouse, high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These tiny seeds are especially full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, but they may also reduce the risk of chronic diseases including arthritis and heart disease. Because they are an excellent source of plant-based protein, chia seeds are a wonderful addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. They are a great option for weight management since they may help control blood sugar levels and satisfy hunger. In addition, chia seeds are a great source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are necessary minerals for strong bones. Avocado. Avocados have been very popular in recent years, and for good reason. They are a nutrient-dense fruit that is rich in fiber, essential vitamins and minerals, and healthy monounsaturated fats. These heart-healthy fats promote healthy cholesterol levels, reduce bodily inflammation, and strengthen the heart. Avocados help you feel full and satisfied, which makes them a great addition to meals and snacks for managing your weight. Avocados are not only a healthy fat, but also a wonderful source of potassium, B vitamins, and vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, while B vitamins are needed for energy generation and the upkeep of good skin and hair. Blood pressure and heart rate management depend on potassium. Spinach. Spinach is a vibrant green vegetable that has long been known for its various health benefits. It is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate. While vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin A is needed to maintain healthy skin and eyes. Folate is necessary for the synthesis and division of cells. Furthermore, spinach contains high amounts of antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein. These chemicals have the potential to promote healthy aging and provide defense against various illnesses. Furthermore, spinach is an excellent source of iron, which the body needs to carry oxygen and prevent anemia. Salmon. Salmon is an oily fish that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D. While omega-3 fatty acids are necessary for healthy skin, hair, and nails, vitamin D is necessary for the immune system and strong bones. Salmon is also an excellent source of B vitamins, including niacin, which helps the body convert food into energy. Furthermore, relatively few meals contain astaxanthin, the powerful antioxidant that gives salmon its pink color. Research indicates that this compound has anti-inflammatory properties and might potentially improve skin suppleness while decreasing signs of aging. Kale. Kale is another vibrant green vegetable that has gained a lot of popularity lately. It is very nutrient-dense and rich in antioxidants, other health-promoting compounds, and high quantities of vitamins A, C, and K. Furthermore, since it is low in calories and high in fiber, kale is a wonderful meal for managing weight. Furthermore, iron, calcium, and magnesium, minerals essential for healthy bones and overall well-being, are abundant in kale. Because of its high vitamin C content, it's a great breakfast for boosting immunity and promoting the production of collagen for healthy skin. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a kind of starchy root vegetable that are high in minerals, vitamins, and other important plant elements. They are full of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that the body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the health of the skin, immune system, and eyes. Significant amounts of potassium, which is required for blood pressure regulation, and vitamin C, which is essential for collagen formation and immune system function, are also present in sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great option for managing weight since they are high in fiber and may help to create a feeling of fullness. They are also a great source of complex carbohydrates, which promote sustained feelings of fullness. Green tea. Green tea has been used for many years and is well recognized for its many health advantages. It contains high quantities of antioxidants, like as polyphenols and catechins, which help prevent cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. These compounds also have anti-inflammatory properties, which promote healthy aging and reduce the risk of inflammatory illnesses. Green tea contains the amino acid L-theanine, which has also been shown to have calming effects on the brain and support mental concentration and attention. It's a great alternative to coffee when you want an energy boost without the crash because of its high caffeine content. Berries. A few berries that are rich in nutrients and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals include raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Berries contain high amounts of powerful antioxidants called polyphenols and anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. These chemicals have the potential to promote healthy aging and provide defense against various illnesses. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has long been used in traditional medicine and is now gaining popularity in Western countries. This spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, curcumin may be equally as effective in reducing inflammation in the body as some anti-inflammatory drugs. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.